Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to easily add a table caption in WordPress. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking this login button will allow you to access your account. After selecting the login option, you will be presented with several ways to sign into your account. In this case, the process involves clicking the option to continue with Google. Choose this method and then select the Google account you wish to use from the list of available accounts. This streamlined approach ensures that you can sign in quickly and securely without having to enter additional credentials manually. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard interface. Here, locate the Quick Links section, which typically features several shortcuts to commonly used actions on your website. Within this section, find and click on the option labeled Edit Site. This selection takes you to the site editor, where you can modify various elements of your website dynamically. Within the site editor, the next step is to locate the table block that you wish to add a caption to. Navigate carefully through your content until the table block comes into view. When you have identified the correct block, click on it to select it for editing. This will highlight the table block, indicating that any changes you make will impact this specific element. After selecting the table block, look at the navigation bar at the top of the editing area. Here you will find several controls designed to help customize your table. Among these controls, there is an icon specifically for adding a caption. Click on this Add Caption icon. The activation of this icon will reveal a new field or area within the table block where you can input your desired caption text. With the caption field now visible, direct your attention to typing in your caption. This is where you can describe the contents or provide context for your table. Make sure that your caption is clear, concise, and relevant to the table content. Adding a caption not only enhances the visual appeal of the table, but also aids users in understanding the purpose behind the displayed data. Consider using descriptive language that is consistent with the overall style of your website for a seamless user experience. Throughout this entire process, it is important to proceed with patience and precision. By carefully following each step, from accessing the WordPress homepage to selecting the appropriate table block and then adding your caption, you ensure that the modifications you make are both effective and reflect the aesthetic and practical needs of your site. Taking the time to properly label your tables increases the clarity of your data presentation and contributes significantly to enhancing overall accessibility on your website. This detailed approach highlights every necessary action from starting at the WordPress homepage to successfully adding your table caption in the site editor. Enjoy the improved visual layout and user-friendly experience your newly captioned table provides, reinforcing the importance of clear communication in website design.